Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing my weekly check-in number 1 for the month of June. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video. I kind of already have my layout, so I'm just going to kind of move it over. Well, I'll just leave it here. That way I don't mess anything up. But before we get started, let's just go ahead and crack this bubbly open. I have a raspberry bubbly today. Guys, let's just get right into this and not waste any time. So if you like videos like this, I do weekly check-ins, cash stuffing, paycheck breakdowns. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you know when I upload a video. All right guys, so for those that are new, I use the Plum Paper monthly planner, and we are open in the month of June. Here's my layout. My sticker up here is crooked, so just ignore that. I can't pull it up because I think I'll rip it. And I use my paycheck, my budget by paycheck workbook from the Budget Mom. I put all my expenses here, my checking account, my paycheck breakdowns, everything is in this little booklet. So I'm going to keep this off to the side so I know what dates to put my expense stickers down. Here is my key card. Here are my expenses that I track and the colors of the stickers. So I'm going to keep this here to the side. That way you can just keep an eye on what stickers I use. And I wanted to do something a little bit different this month. I'll see how I do. I have some stickers that I've purchased from Suns and Roses. I will link her shop down below, so if you wanted to buy her stickers or go check out what she has. I need to actually make another order. I just need to find something before I do it. So yeah, I wanted to use her sticker for groceries, aka compra, instead of using my blue sticker. Let's see how I do this month, because it is kind of a bigger sticker, so I don't know if I'm gonna have enough room on days that I do other spending. So the first one is gonna be on June 1st. I went to Publix and I spent $42. Isn't that the cutest sticker ever? Let me zoom you guys in so you could just take a quick look at it. Look how adorable that is. I'll zoom you out a little bit more. Okay, and then the next compra was on the 4th. I went to Trader Joe's and spent $29. Let's see, maybe I could put this, I don't want to cover Friday up. Let me see. I think if I put it here, oh yeah. Okay, it's a little crooked, but that's okay. Okay, so that's my compra spending. Next is going to be eating out, and on the 2nd, I went to lunch. I spent $10, and then again on the 4th. I had a few expenses this day. I ended up using lunch money, and then I bought some stuff at Trader Joe's and Publix. So I kind of used that money and also my spending, because I ran out of compra money. So I had to use my spending and eating out. So I'm just going to put, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know what to do, because I don't want to cover this up. Yeah, this. Okay, I'll just do this. See, this is why I don't have like the space. This is such a big sticker. I mean, it's adorable, but it doesn't fit if I have anything else that day. Let me see if I could lift it. Hold on. I don't want to. Oh, I'm ripping it. Oh, I'm ripping it. Oh gosh. All right. Let me put these down first. And then I'll put this one and see what happens. See what I could do. Where I could put it. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put it here. Because I don't want to cover it up. It's so cute. So just know that that's for the 4th. It looks crazy, but it is what it is. I think that's it for my spending. So I'm going to put my no spend days. It's going to be 2 days. Thursday and Saturday. And that is crooked. What is wrong with me today? Must be the angle that I'm at. I think I'm about to rip this up. Actually, you know what? I wanted to use another sticker, so I'm gonna throw that out. I wanted to use my new stickers, but let me get them. I have this sticker book. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my no spend days. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my key card to the side, tally up my spending, and fill out my weekly check-in. Next is spending. So we spent $29. And we had $38. Eating out is next. We spent 10 plus 18, 28. Compra is next. We spent 42 plus 29, that's 71. Okay, so before we pull out my wallet, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're new, my gas is cashless. So I don't have cash in an envelope for this. This stays in my account. So this money just stayed in my account and rolled over into my new pay period. Okay, so here is my wallet. We're gonna just make sure that we have remaining what's on my tracker. Okay, so eating out has nothing. Spending should have 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is correct. So I'm going to put this to the side. And then compra has nothing. And household, I'm not going to count. Let me just get my change out. Put my pennies in here. You know who I have to get? Ollie! He is not heavy. Nice and light. Alright. Alright guys, so that is that. I'm trying to think if I needed to replenish anything. I don't need to replenish money right now, but I did want to take money out of my, I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I wanted to take money that has to go back to the bank on Monday. I just recorded my cash swapping, so I have to take that money to the bank, which is a lot. And then I need to take the cell phone money out, and then I need to take my Capital One money out because I have to make that payment on the 14th, but I want to have that money in my account ready to go. And my next weekly check-in is going to be next Saturday, and I pay my credit card on Monday, so that's not giving myself enough time. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out now and then take it to the bank next week. All right, and then I need to get this binder and this one. Okay, so let me take out my cell phone money first. Whoops, making a mess. Okay, so my cell phone money, I'm gonna take out 100. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. But I'm gonna take out 2 20s and 2 5s. Is that 100? No, that's 50. What the heck? I don't know how to count. There you go. So I have 25 left, because I'm gonna do my cash stuffing, and then I'm gonna stuff this with another 50. But I'll put that in the bank at another time. But I do want to put this in for my June and July payment, because like I've mentioned before, I pay my cell phone with another account, and I am about 2 months ahead, almost 3 months ahead on my cell phone bill, and that bill is due on the 20th. So I want to have enough time to send it to that account and for it to clear. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 95, 100. Okay, so I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna actually take this and put this here, because this is going back to the bank. And then I'm gonna take the money out for my Capital One. Okay guys, so I think I've mentioned this before, but I'm going to be using my challenge money that I've been saving each week, and I'm going to be paying off my credit card. And this is what I'm going to be using the money for. And my next paycheck, which was yesterday, I'm going to be using the last $94. So I'm going to be doing that next after this video. So when I go to the bank, I'm going to have the full amount. Right now, I don't have the full amount because this is about, let me see how much. Okay, so I'm paying towards my Capital One for my paycheck $29.15. And then I'm going to be paying an additional $652 plus $652. And that $652, this 94 is included in that amount. So this is going to be my Capital One payment, last credit card payment, pretty much $681.15. So this money right here is $652 minus 94 is $558. So let's just go ahead and count this just to make sure. This should be $558. Let's see if I can count it in one setting without splitting it. We'll see if I can do it, guys. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. And that is correct. $558. So this, my friends, is going to the bank along with this for my cell phone. Let's just put it all together. These people at the bank are gonna be like, dang girl, all this money you got. Oh man. Okay, so that's $558 plus 100. So that's $658 here that I'm taking to the bank. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. That way I don't have this chunk of change just sitting in my wallet. What? It wouldn't even fit, even if I tried. So I'm just gonna stick it in here. Oh jeez, that's a thickie. Let me put a little sticky note on it. That way I know what this is for. Because you know me, I forget things. Okay, so this is gonna be $558 is for Capital One, and then 100 is for cell phone. All right, so I'm just gonna stick this in here. I'm not gonna stick it on the outside because it'll fall out. So I'll just put it inside. Guys, this is my other chunk of money that I did my bill swap. So I'm gonna show up at the bank with these two lovely thickies. And then I also am gonna be putting in the bank, which I probably didn't mention this in my bill swap, but I'm gonna be depositing these two gifts envelopes. They're each fully stuffed with $130 each. So I'm gonna put these money, and then this is my bill swap money, and then this is the money that we just counted now. So I'm just probably going to go ahead and put everything in this binder. So this is basically my back to the bank binder as opposed to back to the bank envelope. Now these $9 for now, I'm just going to put them in my miscellaneous in here. So I'm just going to write this out so I know how much I have in here. And I mentioned before, my rollover money I want to put towards my future planner, which I did order an envelope for that. So when I get that envelope in the mail, I will transfer the money to that envelope. All right, guys. This is the end of my video. If you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for making it this far and staying with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Take care.